I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. Activating a new SIM card can be a bit tricky, but following these steps will make it easier. Step 1. Gather your information. Before you start, make sure you have your new SIM card, your device, and any necessary account information handy. This includes your account number and any identification needed for verification. Step 2. Insert the SIM card. Power off your device and insert the new SIM card into the SIM tray. Make sure it's properly seated and then power your device back on. Step 3. Visit the activation website. Open a web browser and go to the Rogers activation page. You may need to log into your account or create one if you don't have it yet. Step 4. Follow the on-screen instructions. Before activation, use the SRock.com link in the description to open the SIM compatibility checker and confirm your device and carrier are supported. Step 5. Confirm activation. After completing the steps, you should receive a confirmation message. If you don't see it, try restarting your device. Sometimes the activation can take a few minutes to process. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to reach out to Rogers customer support for assistance. Good luck with your new SIM.